Oh, baby. I mean, that beam, that's easily 18 inches right there. Oh, man. When it's bright and sunny like this, you walk right on top of antlers and don't see it until you stop and look around and
Literally at his feet.
at my feet.
Didn't see them. Wow.
Sweet. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
This is our dandy set right here that we were hoping to find today, and this is our biggest set of the year so far. We've got 2 sets, I believe, maybe 3. Good start, really good start. We're up to 3 sheds for today.
Walking up this heavy trail towards my stand that's at the end of this point, and AJ said it looks pretty good in here. And what now? What'd you say?
I'm standing here, and I look down, and I have a set at my feet, a nice set.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I can see the one now. Right in front of you. It's a big antler. Holy cannoli. I can come up there. There's probably not another one right here.
Get over here.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Stood right on top of it before I saw it.
Oh my. Congrats, dude. What a dandy set. That's what we were looking for.
Big old bladed brow.
Ooh.